Hey everyone, welcome back to another ride story. Thank you so much for joining me again on this journey. Today's ride is a special one. I'm heading towards the beautiful Malpe Beach, and from there, I'll be taking a boat ride to explore the stunning St. Mary's Island. It's going to be a mix of coastal roads, sea breeze, and a little bit of adventure on the water. I'm really excited for this ride because it's not just because the destination, it's about the journey, the views along the way, and the experience of discovering new places. So come along with me, enjoy the ride, and let's explore Malpe Beach and St. Mary's Island together.
Wow. Let me stop here for a while. Oh man. I don't think this view would be strange and different for people living here. लेकिन हम लोग जो दूर के अंदर रहने वाले जो है, and we see view something like this. Although those boats, trawlers all around look messy, feels nice to us. Uh, I thought my bike is making the sound, but that is the wire hanging, making the sound. See?
This part of the dock is filled with trawlers, as you can see, and I believe most of them are used for fishing. You can really tell what this place is about because the whole area has a strong fishy smell. Yep, definitely a proper fishing harbor. It's actually quite interesting to see all these boats lined up, probably heading out early in the morning and coming back with a day's catch. So it really gives you a glimpse of local fishing life around here. Happy to see.
Malpe Beach आ गया मैं. Man, Malpe Beach is way too crowded. Even at this hot afternoon, it's 2:30 now. Look at the crowd. In the evening, it will be way more. It's full. That is St. Mary's Island, I believe. Oh wow, wow. Those are the white girls. Way too crowded. Going to St. Mary's Island, I'll be boarding this small boat. Ferry. But look at the line. Let's see how the ride goes. I'm now in the boat. Hey, boat पे हो देखो भाई. I hope I don't drop this GoPro. आ गया. Oh. Welcome to St. Mary's Island. Hey, भाई क्या क्या है सेंट मेरीज आइलैंड में? बस ये बोट राइड के लिए आ गया होगा, लगता है कुछ पानी खरीदना है, पानी पानी। Okay, this is the first island that I've ever stepped foot on, and there are peculiar stone formation. I'll show it to them, show you guys when I get there close by. Seems like they have been carved, or it looks like a scale of an armadillo. This St. Mary Island do not have sand, but they have seashells. All shells. Look at this. They're all shells. Seashells all around. You see, they looks like sand, but they are not sand. These are all seashells. No swimming allowed. Okay, yeah. See, look at this rock formation. I don't know what kind of rock formation is it. It seems like it's a man-made, but no, it's not a man-made. It's not a man-made though. Look up. All the rocks. Look at them. Very strange, yeah? Looks like a man-made, but no, not a man-made. St. Mary's Island. Wow. The sand in the St. Mary's Island is like coarse, big one, because they are not sand. Mixture of sand and seashell, I say. Whew. Another beach in St. Mary's Island. Small, but the water is turquoise. Right. Oh. Yeah. And look at those stones. They look big.
This trip has honestly been quite unbelievable. I got to see things I have never seen before and experience something completely new, which made the whole journey really special. Of course, not everything went perfectly. I actually got a cut on my foot while I was on St. Mary's Island, and so I wasn't able to record as much as I wanted here. And on top of it all, right here, I ended up dropping my phone as well. So that is why I'm going back to pick up my phone. Here is my phone. Oh, what can I say? But yes, hey, things happen during trip like this, and that's all a part of story. So look at this. My phone is gone, shattered. On the bright side, I had really been planning to buy a new phone anyway, so maybe this was just the universe giving me a little push. Still, despite all that, it was an amazing trip and definitely one I won't forget. So thank you guys again for joining me on this ride story. See you again on another ride.